Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. So last night's public webinar, I discussed one of the bots and strategies that we use. It's called Snatcher, and it actually does really well, and I run it this morning on my account, and we have several trades here that we actually made money on. We are up $635 on the trade, and I'm very happy with it. So right here is the account. Unrealized, we're in a trade right now, so we're up $60 on that. We could close it out. This is 100% bot except for one thing, and I'm going to show you. Right here, it entered a trade here, and then it went up and it started kind of going sideways. So when it pushed up again, I moved my stop above break even. As you can see, there's $35 right there. And I'm putting my stop there, and it ended up pulling back and then entered another trade here. It was wanting to push up. So if I had not have put that stop there, I would have already taken my profit. It would have taken right here on this bar. That's where it would have taken profit. So it wouldn't be in the trade it is now, but it would have taken profit. But the smart thing to do is when you start seeing your bars kind of going sideways, you really need to look for a small loss, a break even, or a small profit, and that's what I did. It actually went up, I think it was $105, $125 was the max that it went up. And I put my stop in place just to protect it. So that's what you want to do. This one right here, honestly, I should have had another break even or move my stop up to here, but I didn't. So we're going to see how this plays out. I'll let you watch it. And it is 100% bot except for this one trade where I moved my stop up. If this starts to push up again, I'll go ahead and put my break even in here again, because we are at yesterday's high right now. And being at yesterday's high, it makes it a little bit more risky to trade it that way. But it actually it seems to be doing all right. I like where we are. We are on ES. It's on a zone right now. So with it being out of zone, it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I think we might push up a little bit more. Today, I think we are probably going to push to an all-time high today. And then maybe before Powell speaks at 10 o'clock today, maybe after, I'm not really sure. But right now, the market is trying to go sideways on us. So that's what's going on now. And we're just going to let it run here. I'm going to go ahead and quit narrating. I'm just going to let you watch the bot. If you see me move my stop up, this is why, because where we're just really kind of going sideways here, this may pull them back. I'd rather save my profit. Actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my stop right up here. And if I get stopped out there, then I get stopped out. That's just how trading is. But if we start pushing up, get another green bar up there, I'll put my stop above the break even and go ahead and take that. So right here, and that's the good part about having a bot, is it gets the entry for you, but you can manage it a little bit. If that would push up and close green, I probably will go ahead and go to a break even. I don't want to lose any money on it. I've been 100% win rate today. I like, I don't always get that, but I like to keep it there. So if we can get pushed up in here a little bit, that would be great. Usually when we pull back to this man of war here, if we get another red bar closed down, it will usually just keep on going. But if we get a red bar into it and then we close above it, then it will normally keep right on going. So we may get full profit here, which would be really good. ES is right at the previous session high as well. So we've got the NASDAQ and ES both at the yesterday's high. So we're going to go ahead get our stop ready. I might even take the profit right there and just get the break even on it. ES is trying to pull back, so it's probably going to come on down. I'm going to put my stop right there at the bottom of that bar. It may come down, hit me, and then run. I don't know, but I just want to protect some of my profits that I've got today. If it keeps on going through, so there we stopped out. Again, you know, we could have taken, what is that, $175, and if I'd have been watching, I would have had my stop up there. Just wasn't watching. So we lost a little bit of money. That puts us down to $590 for the day. I'm looking for $500 a day. I'm going to go ahead and turn the bot off because this right here is just going nowhere. We have a double top right there. So, you know, if you look right here, oops, right there is a double top. That's a good sign of reversal. So, you know, we may go ahead and come on down from here. But that's how the Snatcher Bot works as far as you just turn it on, it knows what to do. There's settings that we use on it. It does a really good job. It will be released out today is when that we will have it out. So go ahead and get started. You can learn the strategy now and get started using the manual strategy of it, and then eventually go ahead and turn it over to the bot to where it's working. Now, how you get started, most of you know, is you go to spymoneyllc.com. One thing about this is that we recently added this because a lot of people, we would send out the webinars on YouTube and social media, and by the time some people saw it, it was already over because it's not the same day usually. So unless you're actually watching, you don't always get it. One thing that you can do is put your first name, last name, email address, subscribe to it. You'll get a email that you have to opt in. Once you get that, then you can go ahead and get signed up on it. And then whenever I do the public webinars, I will send out a message to everyone. I do not sell the information, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just for us. If you go to lease program at the top, the first month is $1,000. We dropped it $300 to give you $300 to put in your live trading account. Prop firms will work and all, but there's nothing better than live money. No rules other than just have money in it. If you scroll down here, you'll see that I need to update that you get the Snatcher Bot. As soon as I get it on the system, I will put that on there, but it will be here in the next day, maybe 2 days. You get all of these indicators and also have a list of what each indicator we use and what it's used for, so that you can look into that. 21 frequently asked questions I add as I get more questions, but for the most part, this answers all of them. If you still have questions, email me, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Read through these 14 items. These are very important. Once you read through them, if you agree to them, then just highlight this right here and copy. Go up here to the Contact Us. Scroll down, put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then go in here and paste this and send it. This creates a binding contract. It says that you understand all 14 items and you agree to it, and that you want to join. So that's how you get started. The lease program is pretty simple. You go ahead and pay. You'll get access to where you can download the Spy Money platform. All the indicators, bots, and everything will be loaded. The settings are not loaded, but you have to manually put those in. Some people think that they're just going to click on them. I've yet to find a good way to put that in. Putting in the settings is pretty simple. It's not very hard. But once you get that, everything's loaded. You connect it to your brokerage account. I am not a broker, so that money is only to use my program, the Spy Money platform, and also my products. It is not a trading brokerage, so you'll have to get that. The ones we recommend are ampfutures.com and optimusfutures.com. On AMP, you can use Rhythmic or CQG, and on Optimus, you have to use Rhythmic. I would actually recommend just to go ahead and go to Rhythmic on both of them, and on either one of them that you choose, and that's probably better for you. It works the same as what prop firms are, and it makes it a little less confusing. So Rhythmic is it's a good data. I use Rhythmic on Optimus, and I use CQG on AMP. I don't see any difference between the two. They both work really well. But just go ahead and get started, and we can get you up and running today. You'll get the access to the Discord where you can learn a lot. We do a lot of live trainings in there, and that should help you out. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the Discord. Have a great day.